Bonfire Night tonight. So exciting. If you're wondering why I look so rough, it's because I literally woke up not that long ago. But yeah, but I have to go get in the shower so I can look really good for tonight, because I'm not actually just staying like home this year. I'm actually going to a firework display, and even though it's going to be dark and no one can see me, I still want to get dressed up, because you guys should know me by now. I get dressed up for literally anything or any opportunity I get to, because you don't normally get to do it often. So yeah, let me go get in the shower.
He called me ugly on the inside and the outside. I'm sorry, but he's just wrong about the outside part. You think I'm cute?
If you're watching this, why are you so obsessed with me? Jeez, get a life.
She my private dancer. You can call her phone, but she ain't gon' answer.
You could call her phone and I probably answer.
Same colour as traffic lights.
I'm going home early. I wonder how my nephew feels about it. I feel so bad. Wow. Oh my god. I'm get a little bit weird, to be honest. Bang.
Hi, so it's the next day, so Bonfire Night is over. I've got to be honest, it wasn't as good as previous years, because normally there's like a lot more fireworks, but this is mainly because we were going to this firework display and the bus, don't even, because the buses made me so angry, like the bus was literally packed full, like you couldn't even like move, the people standing everywhere, and then it was this person, I don't know if it was a he or a she, but the bus driver was still stopping at other stops to let other people on, and it was so squishy already that you can't possibly fit anything on because it was like a very small bus. Oh my god, it was pissing me off because I was like, we're going to be late because of this. And we were. We missed the fireworks. Actually, we got the last firework on camera. And that's it. So, fuck you buses. Because I was so excited. Like, how dare the buses fucking disrespect me like that? Anyways. Yeah, it proper pissed me off. But anyways, it's fine. We saw some, like, random ones about, and they were very loud. Like, yeah. Like, I saw some outside of my house, and I saw some when I was going back to my mate's house. Yeah, because after I just, like, I've literally come out for nothing, so I just went back to her house and chilled and watched some stuff, and yeah. So I didn't even do any sparklers this year. That's one thing I was quite like sad about, because I do sparklers every year, but we couldn't find any anywhere. Like nowhere was selling them. Like normally like Morrison's sell them, but they didn't this year, so we literally couldn't find any, so I couldn't do them this year, which is annoying. But I hope it's on for New Year's, because I always do them on New Year's as well. But I say fuck firework displays, because I should do the fireworks for longer. All the buses should have not. Like, I swear down, we was literally on time. And then some buses cancelled. And then bloody this bus took the piss to come. And then, like, still let people on when it was already packed full of people that couldn't get on the other bus because it was cancelled. The bus actually just sort themselves out, because there's so many times that this has happened. Like, other time I was stuck in Leeds because there were no, the buses were literally cancelling and cancelling to get back. Like, can you sort it out, please? Because I don't want to get stuck places. I actually want to get away home. Luckily, there's always taxis I can get home, but taxis are more expensive than buses. Sorry, this is my weird little rant. But anyways, yeah, basically what we did was, I met my mate in town, and then we got the bus to the firework display, missed the fireworks, we saw the last firework go up, and then we missed the rest of them. We walked past the fire though, like the little bonfire. Didn't get a video of it though, because I was too busy trying to not lose her in the crowd, because there was like a lot of people. But yeah, and then we went back to her house, and then I came home at like, well, I got home for like somewhat past 11. I think it was somewhat past 11 when I got home. Yeah, because it were. So yeah. But I really liked the dress I was wearing. It was very cute. And it wasn't that cold, so I didn't actually freeze. So yeah. Anyways, hopefully next year's Bonfire Night will be better. And hopefully if I go to a firework display next year, we'll actually make it on time. I still blame the buses. Fuck you.